Welcome to this meditation aimed at making you feel good in your body and radiate with health. Your body has an absolutely marvelous functioning. Without you having to think about it, it performs thousands of tasks to keep you healthy and enable you to achieve many things. You can breathe fresh air, walk, run and dance, see, touch, smell, taste and hear. You can activate your muscles. Your blood flows in your veins to distribute oxygen and all minerals throughout your body. Your heart beats. Your nervous system sends you all the information you need. Your brain allows you to process all this information and to think, remember, analyze. You can heal diseases, chase away bad viruses and bacteria. You can heal wounds. And your body constantly produces billions of new cells, and it eliminates the old ones. Your body renews itself on its own, constantly, and in 10 to 15 years, your body is completely new. We tend to forget the power of our body and take its functioning for granted. However, by focusing your awareness on your body, sending intentions of health and vitality, visualizing that you are radiantly alive, you can actively improve your health. Firstly, you can create new neural circuits and therefore new healthier habits. Cultivating appreciation for your body makes you want to take care of it and respect it. Positive visualizations activate the same areas of your brain, which does not distinguish between what is visualized and what is experienced in reality. You realize the power you have over your health. We will be able to activate this power together. Take very slow and very deep breath. First breath, you fully relax your body. Second breath, you completely calm your mind. Third breath, you go back to your center inside of yourself. From now on, there is only inner peace, inner silence, and relaxation within you. You are ready to meditate. Start by feeling your presence in your body. Place your awareness inside your body and feel it. You feel good in this body. You begin to feel more and more love for each of the cells that make it up, for all the intelligence it possesses. You are amazed by your body, and all of a sudden, you feel so much gratitude for this body that carries you, that keeps you alive, that serves you in 1,000 and more ways every day. Thank you, dear body. Thank you. My gratitude for you is infinite. You feel your body responding to you with waves of well-being and love. Out of love for this body and for yourself, you visualize yourself in good health, radiating with vitality. You anchor this state and this new reality in all your cells. Being in perfect health is your natural state, and you know it deep down inside yourself. Today, this is the reality you decide to create for yourself: vitality and energy. You begin to feel a new strength inhabiting your body. This is your vital energy, accessible at all times and at the service of your life. When you treat yourself with love and respect, your entire body reacts and balances itself naturally. Your organs, your skeleton, your muscles, your nervous system, your circulatory system are in perfect harmony. You feel so good in your body. You visualize it enveloped in a pink bubble. A bubble of well-being, self-love, gentleness and benevolence. This bubble will continue to accompany you throughout the day and night. Let's prepare for today's mantra. Today the affirmation is, I feel good in my body and I am perfectly healthy. I feel good in my body and I am perfectly healthy. Repeat it once. This affirmation sends a message of health and vitality to your brain, and therefore your body will react accordingly. You will repeat the affirmation, I feel good in my body and I am perfectly healthy, internally for a few minutes. Act as if this was reality. If your mind offers you different thoughts and drifts away, calmly return to your affirmation. Do this as many times as necessary. The light gong will indicate the beginning and end of the repetition of the affirmation. I feel good in my body and I am perfectly healthy. I feel good in my body and I am perfectly healthy. Gently come back to yourself and let go of the affirmation. Recreate inner silence. Take a few seconds to appreciate the sensations and benefits of this meditation. When you are ready, open your eyes and continue your day.